The DRC-010 is the most sophisticated overhead fault indicator in the market, developed by VP.Start for overhead distribution lines. This innovative technology revolutionizes fault management and detection on distribution grid networks. The DRC-010 provides a user-friendly interface, eliminating the need for extensive engineering knowledge, whilst also allowing for the fastest installation method, therefore providing a faster project delivery. Overhead distribution grid networks commonly experience various types of faults, both temporary and permanent. These faults can arise from natural disasters, human errors, and other environmental issues. Consequently, managing these faults becomes a complex and time-consuming task for energy providers. With the DRC-010 by VP.Start, the complexity of operations is reduced, making it user-friendly without requiring advanced engineering knowledge. Every operator can conveniently use the DRC-010 with their smartphone or through our RPM grid system. In terms of configuration, the DRC-010 requires minimal setup procedures and does not require mapping. Simply add the DRC-010 to the VP.Start application or RPM grid system, which then functions automatically. All the features and functions of the DRC-010 are designed with user experience, which makes it easy to train other operators. VP.Start offers flexible and convenient communication options, including GSM and GPRS communication networks. Additionally, the installation process is quick, taking approximately 30 minutes. Once installed, all data insights are promptly transmitted to the operator's smartphone or to the RPM grid. The DRC-010 ensures energy supply reliability for its users by allowing power providers to better manage their line sections through remote monitoring capabilities. It provides data insights into power line activity, such as fault section detection and identification between temporary or permanent faults, as well as high current warning. Additionally, the solution records, stores, and views fault indicator event logs, providing data for analysis. As a result, finding the fault section is reduced from 1 to 2 hours to 1 to 2 minutes in 98% of cases. This improvement helps increase reliability in the network and greatly reduces OPEX and CAPEX costs. The DRC-010 remains one of our most popular smart grid solutions due to its excellent results, user-friendly interface, fast delivery, and efficiency in distribution grid management. VP.Start, innovation through technology.